Hello guys, review smartphone ZTE A72S, 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory, device with 6.7-inch display, large screen, and open box look complementation. Device with NFC in complementation. We have on this we have Type-C cable, and on this adapter for charging with quick charge. Okay. HD plus display, triple camera, 64GB ROM memory and 4GB RAM memory and 4GB extra RAM memory, fast charging, 5000 mAh, and NFC we have on this device. Triple camera on the back side, display on the front, fingerprint scanner with power key, power button, and volume buttons. On this side slot, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and headphones jack. Turn on device. IPS HD resolution, 90Hz display. We have Android My OS with Android 12. Okay, close. And look under the benchmark results. We have Unisoc T606 octa-core, good results. Close this and open GTA San Andreas. Perfect gameplay, GTA San Andreas, on the max graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.